Hello friends, let's crochet together a little duck. I'll take yellow yarn on jeans and orange yarn for the beak. The size of my hook is 1.6. Also, we need brown or black threads for the eyes, needle and fiber fill. Let's start from the head. Make a magic loop and 6 single crochets into it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Pull the thread, there is no hole in the middle, and we start the second round in the first loop of the first round. And we make 6 increases, 2 single crochets in each loop. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. In the third round, we make increase in the first loop and 1 single crochet in the second loop, and repeat 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Take a thread to make a marker, and in the next round we make 6 increases with 2 single crochets between them. 1, 2, increase, 1, 2, increase, 1, 2, increase, and go on till the end of the round. Now we have 24 loops in the round, and we make the next 6 rounds for 24 single crochets in each round. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 22, 23, 24. We've made 10 rounds of the hat, and in the next round we start to make decreases. One, 2, decrease. 1, 2, decrease. 1, 2, decrease, and continue till the end of the round. And in the last round of the hat, we make decrease, and 1 single crochet. Decrease, 1 single crochet. Decrease, 1 single crochet, and go on till the end of the round. In the end, we make a slip stitch, a chain, and leave the long end of the thread to sew the hat to the body. Now let's make the beak. Make the first loop, and 3 chains. 1, 2, 3. 1 lifting loop, and make 3 single crochets. 1, 2, 3. Turn around, and 3 single crochets at this side. 1, 2, 3. We have 6 loops in a round, and we make 6 single crochets in the second round. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, a slip stitch, a chain, and leave the long end on the thread to sew the beak to the head. Then we sew the beak and then we embroider the eyes. Add fiber fill and the head is ready. And we'll continue in the next part.